Hey everyone, welcome back, welcome if you're new. So glad you stopped on this video, and today I have a good one for you all. You see this gorgeous gold bombshell wig. All right, let's talk about it. All right, we're gonna get into this video, and I do want to thank Gorgeous for sponsoring today's video. All right, thank you so much. And I wanted to show you guys what I like to do to actually prep my hair before doing a wig install. Okay, depending on the wig, this is typically what I do. And I am going to break my hair into 3 large sections, and I will do some flat twists, some braids, and a mixture of things just to get my hair flat. So as you can see, I have my first section. I do add whatever leave-in, whatever cream I have on hand, apply it to the section, then I will do a flat twist. Now, if I really wanted my hair to lay super flat, I would definitely do some braids, but for the wig style that I'm wearing today, I don't need to do that just because it's such a voluminous, fluffy wig, and also you're not even going to see these flat twists. So like I said, I'm just grabbing hair and flat twisting on this larger back section. If you're new here, my name is Bubs and I do everything here on this channel. So I'm just continuing to do flat twists in the back. I'm doing very large flat twists. I'm making sure to add that product to the ends and throughout the whole section. Now I have another middle section. I'm actually going to cornrow this section down. I don't want the hair on the top of my head to stick up at all, so I am going to do 4 braids going downward. Now for this last large section, I'm going to do some additional cornrows as well, but I do add a part in the middle. So since this unit has bangs, I don't really have to do a middle part. I can do a side part. I can do whatever I like, but I decided to do a side part today. So I'm going to do about 6 braids in the front. Now, the great thing about this is that when I do take the wig off, I have an additional hairstyle, because once I do take these braids and these flat twists out, I'm going to get a huge voluminous fro. So that's what I really enjoy about wearing wigs, especially now during this time when I am going through postpartum shedding. As you guys can tell from my hair, it's a lot thinner. I don't have any edges anymore, but I'm making do with what I got, and wearing wigs has been so great at just keeping my hair away and still maintaining my hair's growth and also the thickness. I don't want to lose too much strands, all right? And wigs is a great way to just put my hair away. So you can see I'm done flat twisting and braiding. Now I'm going to really tuck and pin the ends. This step is not necessary. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to, because I will add a wig cap. So it really wasn't necessary, but I'm just going to do that. All right, like I said, to each his own. You don't have to do it, but you can. All right, so that is completed. All right, now it's time for that install. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Gorgeous. They sent over this beautiful wig. It comes in this satin bag. Also in the box, we have a wig cap. You definitely need these when it comes to our wigs. They also sent some extra accessories in this cute little bag. All right, I have another elastic band if I want to use it or tighten my wig in any way. All right, I have some clips as well, which is great if you needed to section your hair or part your hair. Also in this bag is some tweezers. All right, if you need to tweeze the unit, you can definitely do so, but this unit is perfectly tweezed, so it's not going to be necessary. We got an edge brush, and we have some bobby pins if you need it. So now I'm adding my wig cap. This is an old wig cap I had sitting around, and this is actually closer to my scalp color and my skin color. If I have a link to this, I'll link it down below, but I did get this off Amazon. And this is that beautiful, beautiful, high density, messy curly wig with bang, all right? You see the highlights in it. This wig also comes with some clips. It has an elastic band, and it also has some straps to tighten it. Now for me, because I'm trying to keep it super simple, yes, my earring just fell out. I'm trying to keep it super simple. I will not use the clips or anything. I'm just going to use the elastic band. That's all I need. The wig ain't going nowhere. The elastic band is perfect. It's just enough security for me. So I did style the unit off camera. All I did was add a little bit of water and finger combed. That was really it. Like I said, this unit comes pretty much perfectly intact. You do not need to do anything with this unit. I am picking it and fluffing it somewhat, but I didn't want too much volume. I really loved how heavy and messy and curly and just gorgeous this unit is. Wow, this is so fun, and it's a perfect 10-inch wig, so you know, not too hot. All right, it's getting a little warm out here, and it just sits and lays perfectly. If you want to cut it some more, you can do so, but I think it's sitting at a perfect length for me. If you want more volume, definitely pick and comb it out. This wig can get super full, but you guys just saw how quick the install was. If you need to define the curls, just add a little water. It just needs water. Curls are very soft and movable, super fluffy. You're gonna see it in the light outside in a few moments, and it definitely has so much dimension. I will have a link for you all to save. You can use my coupon code BUBSB17 and definitely check out more units from Gorgeous. So if you love this video and you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up, and I will definitely come through with more videos. All right, like I said, this unit is very natural. It definitely mimics your own hair. All right, it definitely has pops of color, so you don't have to color it if you don't want to. You can pop it on in 5 seconds compared to other wigs where you have to style it and glue it and all that. You do not have to do that with this unit. You can easily switch up your hairstyle. So thank you so much, Gorgeous, for sending me this wig to try and for sponsoring today's video. Thank you all so much for watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one.